art gathering, performance, writing, and the artwork. After a war, when they returned to the Paris, the Dada active continue. Surrealism philosophy. Surrealism is the based on the belief in the superior reality of certain form of previously association in the omni-pit of dream, in the distant play of the thought. It tends to reign once and of all other psychist mechanism and the principal problem of life. The first surrealist work, according to the leader Breton, was Les Champas, May June 1919. The literature contained the automatic work and account of dream, the magazine and the portfolio both show their distance for literal meaning given to object and focus rather on the undertone, the poetic undercurrent present. Not only did they give the emphasis to the poetic undercurrent, but also to the connect and the overtone which exist in ambiguous relationship to the visual image. Surrealist review interest in the I Isidore, known by his predomini, comment D, and for the line beauty as the chance, meeting on a beauty is a chance, beauty as the chance, meeting on the decaying table of a sewing machine and the umbrella. The author remote to later 19th century return believed to be the precursors and the surrealism. Now the friends, the fifth one is the humanism. Humanism का मतलब होता है दया भाव या मानववाद. कैसे लिटरली टर्म्स में मानववाद आया और उसका यूज़ किस तरह से हुआ वो हम लोग इसमें देखेंगे. ह्यूमनिज्म मीन्स, ह्यूमनिज्म का मतलब होता है कि मानववाद. लिटरली लिटरेचर में इसका यूज़ कैसे हुआ. इन द 16th century द वर्ल्ड ह्यूमनिस्ट वॉज कॉन टू सिग्निफाई वन who thought or wrote in the studa humanities or the humanities, that is the grammar, rhetorically history, poet, and the more philosophy as the distinguished from the field less concrete with the moral and imaginative aspect and activity of man, such as mathematics, nature, philosophy, and the theology. At the time, this study focus on the classical, especially the Rome culture, and they put the great emphasis on the learning to speak and the write good Latin. This is, it is the philosophical and the ethical stance that the emphasize the value and the engagement of the human being individually and collective, and the generally prefer the critically thinking and evidence like a rationalism or empiricism over the expense of dogma or superstition. The meaning of the term humanism has political according to the success intellectual movement which have identified with it. Gradually, however, the humanism prefer to the perspective that the effect some notion of the human freedom and the progress. In modern time, humanism movement are typically elegant with secularism, that the today humanism typically refer to a non theoretical life stands central on the human agency and the looking to the science rather than the relation from the supernatural source to the understand world. That's The typically Renaissance human amuse the dignity and the central portion of the human bring in the universal, emphasize the important in the education of the study, classical, imaginative and the philosophical literature, although with the emphasis on it moral and the practical rather than it ethically value and the instant on the primary and the ordinary human life of the reason as the oppose of instruction approach and the animal passion. Many humanists also state to need in the education for the rounded develop of a individual develop power like a physical, mental, artist and the moral, as opposed a merely the technical or the special nice kind of training. In our time, the terms humanist often connected those thinkers who base the thought of human experience and the reason and who base value on human nature and the culture, as the distinguished from those who regard the religious revelation as the warrant from the basic truth and the value. With a few exceptions, however, the Renaissance humanists were the pure Christian who incorporate the concept and the ideal inherited from the past into the frame of the Christian. That the result was they tend to emphasize the value achievable by the human being in this world rather than in the after the life, and to minimize the early criticism, emphasize on the innate the corruption of the human being and on the idea of the ethically and of the withdraw from this world in with the world hereafter. It has because the common to refer to this synthetics of the classical and the Christian view. The typically of writers such as the Sir Philip Sidney, Edmund Spencer, John Milton, and Christian humanism. The rapid advance in the achievement and the pressure of the nature science and the technology after the Renaissance, in the latter the heroine the humanist tradition. Samuel Johnson in 18th century humanist who had once the schoolmaster wrote in his life of Milton, which was written in 1779. He told, the truth is that the knowledge of external nature. Again, the truth is that the nature of external nature and the science which that the knowledge require or include are not the great or the frequent business of the human mind. The are not the great or the frequent business of the human mind. We are perfectually moralist, but we are geometrician only by the chance. Socrates was rather of opinion that what we had to learn how to do good and avoid evil. Matthew Arnold, a notable proponent of the humanism in the Victorian period, he wrote the central role of human study in the general education. Many of the Arnold leading the idea and adaptation of the tent of the older humanism. His view, for example, that culture is perfection of our humanity proper, the distinguished from our animal, but all the power which make the beauty and the worth of the human nature. In the German philosopher in 1890, he developed the highly influence between the nature science and the distinction, which aim at and the abstracts explanation of the world and the human science means the humanity, the understanding of the full concrete world of the actual experience, the lived human world, for example, that is the represented in the work of literature. The word humanism is ultimately derived from the Latin concept the humanism, and the most of the word ending in the ism English in the 18th century. However, the historian agree that the concept prepared the label involved to describe it encompass the various meaning the humanism, which include the both benevolent toward one fellow human and the value imparted by the bona fide the human learning means the good letter. In the 2nd century AD, the Latin grammarian Aulus composed, those who have spoken Latin and have used the language correctly do not give to the word humanity the meaning which is the commonly through to the have the namely what the Greek called the philosophy, signifying a kind of friendly spirit and the good feeling toward all men without distinction. But they gave to the humanists the force of the Greek, that is what we called this is the education and the training in the liberal art. Those who enrich, desire and the seek after these are most highly humanized, for the desire to pursue of that kind of knowledge and the training given by it has been granted by the humanity along of all the animals, and for that reason it is termed humanity or the humanities. The Jolis said that it is the day humanity is commonly used as a synonyms for the finality, the kindness behavior toward one follow the human being, and the maintain that the common use is wrong. That is the model writers of Latin such as the Cicero. The other use the word only the means what we might call the human and the polite learning. In the Greek, evaluate the Pedia become a favorite author in the Italian and the 15th century Italy. Teachers and the scholars of the philosophy, poetry were called and the called themselves the humanist. Modern scholar, however, pointed out that the Syrio 106 to 43 BC, who was the most responsible for the defining and the popularize the terms humanities. The word humanism as the philosophical central on the humankind and as the opposed to the instruction religious was also being used in the Germany by the so-called the left, the Arnold, Karl Marx, where etc. Now the last one is the imagism. Imagism मतलब होता है कल्पनावाद. कल्पनावाद किसे कहते हैं? तो imaginary this term is most of common in criticism and one of the most viable in the meaning. It application ranges all the way from the metal picture, which is it is the sometime claim are the expression by the reader of the poem to the totality of the component which make up the poem. Explain of this range of the uses are the statement by the poet and his poetic image that the image in the picture made out the word, and that a poem may itself be itself be and the image composed from the multiplicity the image. 3. Discriminate use of the word, however, are especially frequent in all these sense emergently is said to make poetry concrete as the opposite of the abstract. दोस्तों imaginary that means था कल्पनावाद. Imaginary was a movement in the early 20th century Anglo-American poetry that for the precious of the imaginary and the clear sharp language. Imaginary has been described as a most influential movement in English poetry since the activity of the pre-Fantics. इमेजिनरी मीन्स होता है कल्पना. जो पोएट है वो कल्पना करते हैं अपने पोएम में. एज अ पोएटिक स्टाइल इट गेव द मॉडर्निज्म. इट स्टार्ट इन द अर्ली 20th century and the considered to be the first organized modernist literary movement in English language. Imaginary is sometimes the view as a succession of creative movement rather than any continuous or sustain a period of the develop. It is the more accurate to consider image not as a doctrine nor as a poetic school, but as the association of a few poets who were for the certain time in the agreement on the small number. Imaginists reject to the sentiment and describe the typical of the much romantic and the Victorian poetry. In the contrast to their contemporary, who were generally concrete to the work within that the tradition. In the concrete imaginary called the return to the nature is also. Imaginary published the appear between the 1914 to 1970. Features work by the many of the most prominent modernist figures both in the poetry and the other field also. A characteristic the features of the imaginary is the attempt to the isolated a single image of the revealed in the essence. These features the minor contemporary development in